मेरी गाड़ी ऊपर जा रही है, इसका ऑयल चेंज होगा एंड देन विल हेड होम। व्हाट्स अप गाइस, अभी मैं ऑयल चेंज कराने आया हूँ और लास्ट वीडियो वाज मी बाइंग अ लैपटॉप। आई पिक्ड अप दिस Asus ROG G17 something, some high-end laptop, some gaming laptop, and I don't really know the specifications about it. So what happened with that video, वो video ना पूरा corrupt हो गया, and then I lost all that data. बहुत मस्त ब्लॉग बना था, उसमें हार्दिक भी था, my wife was also there, बहुत सही था, and we went into Best Buy and we did the whole thing. So I'm just gonna take you guys to Best Buy after this. अभी मैं oil change करा रहा हूँ गाड़ी का, तो ये मेरा ऑयल चेंज हो रहा है यहाँ पे गाड़ी का, ये अंदर, अभी ये गाड़ी उठा देगा. So and then once this is done, I'm gonna get on my bike and then we're gonna go to Best Buy and I'll just take you through the process, how I picked up my laptop, what specifications I was looking for, why I bought a new laptop, because abhi I think I've just crossed 1,000 subscribers, तो थोड़ा सा वो हो गया कि ना I need to focus on making more vlogs. और problem with me was not be able to shoot, but for me it was more of कि ना मैं edit नहीं कर पा रहा था videos time पे. मेरी editing was taking more than 8-9 hours because of my computer was very slow, उसका CPU, all these things was outdated, so I was using Filmora, उसमें बहुत hang हो रहा था, और you know, and if I went through another software उसकी quality बहुत बकवास आ रही थी, तो so I decided to go for a new computer, or I'll show you different options that you can use to buy laptops here on EMIs and all that. So we'll discuss that when I get into Best Buy. Peace. So गाड़ी ड्रॉप कर दिया मैंने and I'm on my way to Best Buy. मस्त बंदियाँ चला रही हैं बाइक हैं. So देखते हैं क्या होता है आज. Best Buy चलते हैं and थोड़ी बहुत गप्पे मारेंगे. And उसके बाद अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो है. इसका अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो I can't really do because I got a laptop which was on a sale and it was the last piece, so didn't have the box for it. It was from a display, so I got it for $300 less than the retail price, so can't complain for that. And I also got a 4 years warranty, a nice bag with it, laptop bag with it, which I'll show you at the end, and we'll do a review. I've already edited 2 of my videos on that. The last 2 videos that were uploaded to my channel were edited on that computer, so बहुत ही अच्छा response है computer का, and it's a great computer. I recommend if anybody is willing or is looking for buying a gaming laptop or something like that. The only thing I don't like about the laptop is doesn't come with a webcam and what do you call it, the memory card slot, so I had to buy an external card, USB card reader kind of thing. Chalo, अभी मैं Roncesvalles में हूँ. This is the west end of Parkdale. यहाँ से Roncesvalles area चालू होता है, High Park Roncesvalles area, and there are some nice restaurants here. There are some nice grocery stores. A lot of Polish and Eastern European people live here, so you'll see the influence on shops, and like, so wherever a certain kind of people live or communities live, they have shops that sell, you know, their products, groceries, breads, all kinds of stuff. So that's one thing great about Canada, that, you know, you get to see a lot of multicultural society. You get to see a lot of people from all kinds of countries or all kinds of backgrounds, you know, so you learn a lot from them about how they look at life and how you look at life, and how certain things they find weird, and you know. And then I also like to compare the words in different languages, and I like to find common words with our language, Hindi or Urdu, like if there is any common words. So apparently Turkish language I find has the most common words. Turkish, Farsi, Afghani, all these languages have so much in common with India, and with food and language and the way they are, like culture wise, they're very similar, you know. Okay, Best Buy आने वाला है भाई लोगों. Hopefully they have the same laptop here. I doubt it, but let's see. Let's see. यहाँ पे आने वाला है बेस्ट बाय and hopefully it's open. I have no idea if it's open or not. मेरे घर के पास वाला है. So I'm going here. छाया में पार्क करूँगा, नहीं तो मेरे भेल में ना मेरा भेल जल जाएगा जब मैं वापस आऊँगा तो. बेस्ट बाय में चल रहा हूँ.
Oh, 9 minutes.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So मैं आ गया हूँ बेस्ट बाय में. This is probably a little smaller. यहाँ पे सारे laptops and computers are here. They don't have a Republic of Gamer section जो मैंने यहाँ से लिया था. I don't see one. They have all these small laptops. Okay, let's see where they have. So basically what happens is you can either buy the laptop or any electronics all cash in, or you can choose to go for a payment plan, which is I think for a year there is a $30 fee. There's no interest, but you have to qualify for it, for the loan. And I was approved for a $5,000 loan, but then I had to pay like $70 fee. So I was like, I do have the cash, so I just bought it cash. So it's up to you. If you wanna buy something on installments, or you just wanna pay for it. So I don't know where it is. Let's see. मेरा बच्चा घूम रहा है. अगर बच्चा खिसक ले आगे. तो मुझे लैपटॉप तो मिला, but I found a section for guitars. Let's see if it's good. Check it out. Actually, very small. So basically, यही पे आना होता है आपको बेस्ट बाय. I think I got to the right Best Buy जो was selling the right product. यहाँ पे वो section ही नहीं है Republic of Gamers वाला. So there was a proper section at the other place, the other section for all these gaming laptops. So I got really lucky, and they were also on what do you call it, sale. So that's it. थोड़ा और दिखाता हूँ बेस्ट बाय का सीन. You guys don't carry any gaming laptops?
Gaming laptop.
Yeah, the where?
You just tell that guy.
Oh. Hey, do you guys carry any gaming laptops?
We do. I just don't have any demo at the moment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I'm just putting stuff out at the moment. I haven't got a chance to do it yet.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Okay.
So भाई लोगों, गेमिंग लैपटॉप अभी ना डिस्प्ले पे नहीं है यहाँ पे. They have it, but they don't have it on display. I think I picked up this bag. So ये वाला बैग लिया था मैंने. It retails for $119, and I got this for $60 because it was part of a bundle. Like, so make sure when you buy something like that expensive, make sure you ask for deals, because my wife kept asking for deals, and वहाँ पे एक श्रीलंकन बंदा था, and he just basically हम लोग उसको कन्विंस कर रहे थे कि यार you are also brown, we are also brown, give us the brown discount. So he hooked us up with a great deal. 450 का 4-year warranty he gave us for $150, and then he gave us the laptop bag for $60. Actually, yeah, he was saying 70, and then my was like, nah, can you do 50? And he said, okay, I'll do 60. So we got a great deal on the laptop and the bag overall. So घर जाके I'll do the unboxing. Right now I'm going for a ride, and ride में बातें करते हैं. मुझे याद आया कि मुझे चाय पत्ती लेने जाना है, क्योंकि चाय ख़त्म हो गई है, और चाय बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. चाय से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं है. चाय पत्ती लेने जा रहा हूँ भाई. यहाँ पे एक ग्रोसरी स्टोर है, इट्स कॉल्ड मिस्टर इंडिया, तो मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ. ये है मिस्टर इंडिया ग्रोसर्स इसके अंदर एक रेस्टोरेंट है, हवेली रेस्टोरेंट, which is a takeout kind of place, and I think they have some tables where you can eat, but it's mostly takeout. People do mostly takeouts. सबसे पहली वाली पार्किंग मिली है स्पॉट, यहाँ पे पार्क कर दो अपनी गड्डी। ओके, मुझे चाय सेक्शन मिल गया, चाय, और ये लेने वाला हूँ मैं ताजमहल। ताजमहल लुक्स गुड। और मेरा गरम मसाला भी ख़त्म हो गया, तो हम बाइंग गरम मसाला ऑल्सो। ये कितने छोटे वाटरमेलन है, वाटरमेलन और ये मैंगो है, सेम साइज़ के लग रहे हैं। Supreme going in. So for $13.66 I got 10.5 liters of petrol, which was tank full for my bike. I think its capacity कुछ about 14 liters है. So it's very convenient, man. I've been riding this bike so much for the last 4 days, and आज जाके इसका रिज़र्व लगा था, तो इट्स वेरी गुड ऑन गैस, इट्स वेरी कन्वीनियंट एंड फन टू राइड, छोटी सी बाइक है। मुड़ना मत अभी मत मुड़ना अभी। अरे यार तुम मतलब सीरियसली भैया, गलत बात है, गलत बात।
It's a G17 Rogue Strix something. So it was an open model. मेरी वाइफ का सामान पड़ा हुआ है। हेलो ऐसे रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ मैं, देखो भाई जो है नाग देवता बनाऊँ, नाग मुड़ी लगा के। So this laptop was an open box, and I got it for $1,900 because it was an open box, and it was on sale for $1,400. I paid another $150 for warranty, 4-year warranty on this. Only warranty is on anything that if something goes wrong with it. Other than that, there's no warranty on it, like for physical damage and all that stuff. And I paid $50 for software installation, antivirus, वो सब वगैरह. And then I also got this bag because it didn't have a box. And I was due for a bag, so I wanted to buy a bag. So this bag actually looked pretty good. And let me start with the bag first. So the review of the bag, it's pretty good actually. It's stuck here for some reason. Okay. So this is how it looks, 360 degrees. I haven't even taken out the tags. So it's by this company called Solo, New York. And it has these solid side panels where I can probably hold a lot of my gear and like wires and all that. As the same way on the other side, same thing on the other side. It's actually pretty sturdy, like it's hard case. So let's start with the first section. The first section is just like pretty standard. First section is like where you keep your stationery, your pen, pencil, whatever, like books, diary, journal, and it's a pretty good space on this. So I can even put some clothes and stuff if I want. So that's the first. The second is this one, and this one has all my papers for this thing, paper for the laptop, receipts and everything. And this could also be like you can put your cameras or clothes and all that stuff. And then there's a third one. This section is actually for a small laptop. इसमें ज़्यादा जगह नहीं है. Small laptop or a tablet. So it's a decent size. So that's the third zip we finished. Okay. And then that's that. There's a little gap here. I don't know what this is for, like to hold your, I don't know, chewing gum or whatever. What you would put in it, whatever you can put. And this is the final. It's a hard case. That's where my laptop is. So let me take out this laptop. Okay, so this is how it looks. Let me put this bag away now. So this laptop also came with this charger. So this is Asus Republic of Gamers, so it has that logo. It's a gaming laptop basically. The only thing I didn't like about this laptop was it didn't come with a webcam memory card reader, so it doesn't have a memory card reader, so I had to buy a USB. So, and I spoiled one of them, so I went to return it and I just got one. So when it starts, it does this cool thing. Whoa. So this is, and then there's an underglow underneath it, and it changes colors. In order for it to change colors, it has to be plugged in to charge. Finished editing this video, the same thing that you are watching right now, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's super fast. I really like it over my old computer, of course, and no complaints so far. This is the third video I'm editing on this, and it's been an amazing experience, like as compared to my old one. Like this used to take like 8 hours to finish editing this video, but this one, you know, I was still putting in the time, but you know, I was like, I could be using this time to shoot more videos. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys. Peace. Have a good night.